Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Shopify login problems. So if you're having trouble logging into your Shopify account, don't worry. In this guide I will walk you through the most effective fixes to regain access quickly. So, common Shopify login issues contains incorrect email or password, 2FA problems, account locked or suspended, browser or cache issues, or Shopify server problems. So solution 1 will be resetting your password. Go to Shopify login page and click the forgot password button there. And enter your registered email and check your inbox for a reset link. Follow the instructions to set a new password and try logging in again. Now, solution 2 will be clearing browser cache and using incognito mode. Click on the three dotted icon at the top right of your browser, click on settings, then click on privacy search and services, scroll down, click on choose what to clear, choose all time in this, click on clear now, and that could instantly solve your problem. Now, solution 3 will be disabling browser extensions. Some extensions can block Shopify's login page. Disable ad blockers, VPNs or other security extensions. Click on extension icon at the top, click on manage extensions and just remove all the extension that could be causing this issue. Now solution 4 is checking Shopify server status. Go to status.shopify.com. Hit enter and if Shopify is down, you will need to wait until the issue is resolved. Now, solution 5 is verify 2FA. So if 2FA is enabled, ensure you are entering the correct authentication code. If you lost access to your authenticator app, click need help on the login page to recover your account. Now, solution 6 is contacting Shopify support. If none of the above steps work, visit help.shopify.com, use live chat, email or phone support options to get assistance. And that's how you can fix your Shopify login problems. If this helped, like and subscribe for more Shopify tips. See you in the next one.